You have to keep up to date with what's happening in the industry. The real value stuff is not necessarily on the agenda, it's the stuff you don't know. And you pick that up probably in the queue for coffee or over a beer afterwards. I like the opening keynote with Joe Jolly.
I think the human aspects in all of project delivery is so profoundly important, and yet for some reason we still don't really value it anywhere near enough. So I can hardly overstate the value of thinking about humans and nature through every aspect of what we do and how we do it.
It is events like this, it is organisations such as BESA helping to spread the word that the important thing is to demonstrate that someone understands they are planning, managing and monitoring the work that they have been contracted to do.
Today I'm here for the launch of the Mould Guide. At BESA we are leading the way and our guide is out there. You can download it. Please don't just use it as a guide, follow it, and we hope with Ella's Law it will actually become legislation.
The Futures Leaders Group is a relaxed group. It's a really nice opportunity to meet different people who sort of do different things in the industry, to learn from them.
The main thing that I find with all events like this is the knowledge gained. I think day to day that we have knowledge from companies, from schools, universities, but when we actually head into a conference, it's more sort of specific information on specific equipment, specific safety acts, regulations and legislations.
There's probably two sides for me. There's like a knowledge aspect, because obviously I'm part of the Future Leaders group, so I want to get to know more, get some connections, just the same as the group. But then obviously there's the membership side of things for the business. It's great to do events like this and get the BESA brand out there.
At the end of the day, we've got to make a better industry. We've got to raise standards, and everybody here in this room is committed to that, so I think that's the beauty of it.
We provide a service to companies so that they can make buildings safer and better. And events are a great way of meeting all sorts of people within the industry, from building owners through to property managers, right through to the contractors who actually do the work.
We found it really interesting. It's our first time, but we've had people come to us and talk to us about what we're doing. The skills gap is really important from an industry point of view. Obviously, we see firsthand the lack of engineers in the industry and what that's doing to the industry in terms of being able to perform.
I think this has been a really good event. Speaking to people that might not necessarily do this every day, it's been quite interesting for us and them as well.
I think it's just important that we continue to push the importance of indoor air quality first and foremost, and with recent events it's now becoming a bigger event within the media, and I think these events can only help to enhance that.
As we move on this road, this sustainability journey that we're all on, we know the destination that we need to get to, but we're not going to do that unless we work together. If you want to be able to do that, you come to where the skills are and where people are willing to be open and share their knowledge.